Hi, this is Dalia at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to remove um, items from inventory. So you're going to want to be under Impeccabilities under Production. You're going to go ahead and select Inventory, put All Inventory, and then here it just pulls out the list of everything that we have currently in stock for our inventory. I'm just going to use this one as an example. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it just loads everything that's on there. So if I want to remove some garments from this specific garment, I'm just going to put on this plus/minus adjustment, and in this section I'm just going to go ahead and put -5, and here you can see that the number is subtracted. So once you click save, it will no longer show the 22 but now the 17, and that's how you pull out inventory.